your voice is one of my favorite features of Adobe Spark. It just makes it so more engaging. So notice that you have this big, ginormous red microphone in the middle of the slide. And this lines means that I have already recorded audio for this particular slide. And the length of my audio on this slide is 3 seconds. Notice if I go to the next one, this is longer because I haven't recorded anything. This is the set time. If I don't have audio, I can make the slide longer, up to 30 seconds, or I can make it shorter. But if I'm going to add audio, the length of the slide is going to depend on how much audio I input. And notice that my limit is 30 seconds. So tell your students that they could add how they're feeling, their thoughts, what they've learned, or whatever it is that project is calling for. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to read what it says. Did you hear about Adobe Spark for Education? See how it has the little timer? That is great. So pretend that I messed up. I didn't mess up. But pretend I don't like the audio. I don't see a delete button, right? So I'll notice that my time changed. So I'm going to do it again because I don't like the one I recorded. All I need to do is record it again. And then Adobe Spark automatically will swap the audio file for you. Did you hear about Adobe Spark for Education? There you go. So super easy, right? Like I'm sure your students were so happy to find a tool that is, this easy. It is now open to all students, all grade levels. Okay, excuse me? It's funny. All right. Go tell a friend. That last one. Yes! Because you always need a yes in there. Brought to you by the Cypress Fairbanks ISD EdTech Department. And that's it. I have recorded audio for all of my slides. So notice that the length of the slide changed, so you can make them longer or shorter depending on the amount of audio that you want. If I click on it, it doesn't let me change it. I don't have that bar anymore to make it just longer or shorter. If I don't want audio at all, I'll just remove it. And now I can make the slide longer if I want to, because maybe I want them to focus on that a little more, so I can do that. But audio is always it's always funny, I would say. So this is how you're going to add audio. You can preview each slide individually, or you can preview your video as a whole with this play button or this play button. Okay, so the last video is going to talk about theme, resizing, and music.